Why do I think of you in colors orange, yellow, blue? I can't get you off my mind. Red as blood, warm as sun, such good loving just begun. Rainbow lover, I want you. Like the yellow of the sun makes the grass grow.
I'm eating beancurd and it's my favourite and it's delicious.
Hi guys and welcome, this is me, JB, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing? Are you still detoxing? How did the detox go? I got a great response from people who really loved my last episode about the dandelion root and the dandelion tea that I made in the dandelion dish. But before I get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, I also always get asked, what do you feed your kids if you're a vegan? All the meals that I cook for my children are always really quick and really simple. So today I picked up the kids as usual. We had after school club, they did art club, they did football, and they had a tutor. So by the time they came home, oh my gosh, tired, hungry, want food now, mum, want dinner now, mum, what's taking so long? So I get this meal on the table, everything within 20 minutes. There's Chinese beancurd cooked with rice and vegetables, boom, on the table, miserable faces, smiley faces. Cook your whole grain rice, then add your garden peas and sweet corn. You can also add a little bit of salt to this as well, and butter. This is the dried bean curd, and you can get it in any Chinese shop. As you can see, I'm breaking it up into small pieces. And then I'm going to add some water, just cold water for it to soak. Then let's chop up some fresh garlic. Then some red onions, I like cooking with red onions, and a little bit of chili pepper if you want a little bit of heat. If not, you can just use the bell peppers. And then I use coconut oil, I always cook with coconut oil. Then for the seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, Chinese 5 spice. Now this is the key ingredient, this is what's going to make it taste really delicious. Turmeric, I always cook with turmeric. Curry powder, just a little bit of curry powder. Give it all a good mix. Then we're going to add in our soaked beancurd. Mix that all together. And then we're going to add some water. And then just a bit of soy sauce, and then you're going to cook that through and let all the flavours infuse. Check your rice, which is cooked. Prepare your sprouts. Give that a steam. And then to our bean curd, I'm just going to add some vegetable gravy. Give it a mix through, and we're ready to serve.
Good.
I cheat a bit and I use a Chinese 5 spice, but you could just, break it down and do it all yourself. But when you're in a rush, sometimes it's just okay to just use the allspice and Chinese spice and all that kind of stuff. It's still very tasty. As you all know, I'm working towards this album. Last year lots of things happened, so things slowed down quite a lot. So today I was in Brixton and we are kind of going, right, this is the plan for this year, this is what we're going to do, this is how we're going to do it. Here's a few snips of my trip to Brixton. I love Brixton. I'm on Insta, yes. Have you got a card? How will I find you? I love it. I'm at Brixton Market and I'm just loving African fashion. Pantsy. I'm gonna buy my sea moss, Jamaican Irish moss. Here's a little snip of my trip to Brixton. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my recipe, and also please comment, let me know what you think. Stay blessed and I'll see you next time.